Hi, it's Tanya with Red Cardinal Crafts, and I got a package the other day. I just wanted to flip the camera around and I'll show you what I got. This is from Craftspire. They sent me some products and I was able to pick out what I wanted to get. I ended up getting a lot of washi tape because some of the tape I've had for years, and I was just getting a little bored of it. But I figured I could use this in journals. I could use this in my little travel journal. Let's just open it up and see everything nice and close. Oh, there's quite a bit on each roll. So we got some multicolor, we got some blue. I really like this one. Some circles and some plaid, some little diamonds. And circles again, diagonal stripes. So those are all in mostly like blues and greens, a little bit of pinks going on there. So I really like that set. This one is all kind of purples and pinks. There's some there. I love gingham. Gingham is like one of my favorite patterns. These ones here, little flowers on them. Then I got this little box, cute little box. This is the vintage pattern. Oh, I like it. So we got some thick ones here. These ones here. Paisley thing going on there. Some blue flowers. And then we got some thin ones. I like that there's some solid colors in here. So those are nice. And then this set, some shimmer and shine to it. And this one, I'll just take them right out of the box. I won't use the boxes. Oh, that's pretty. Shimmery and shiny. And then this one, ooh, that's really cool. They're like waves. Fun. What does that look like when it's opened up? Ooh, it's like rainbowy. I like that. Oh, and it peels. Oh, that's really cool. I like that because then you can kind of lay it down on your project and see where you want it before you commit. And oh, and then there's this one too. That's really pretty. It's like a gold kind of flower. Then I also got some stickers, and I'm curious as to what these will be like. They're like, oh, that was another rolling around. Because these are clear. Let's lay this down and then we can see the stickers. Oh, wow. Very cool. Hang on, let me get a smoother piece of paper. Zoom in a little bit so you can see them a little bit better. Very cool. Oh, these are so neat. Cool. All right, so let's just show these to you. Got washi rolling all over the place now. Mushrooms everywhere. So there's two of those. This one's more of like a, I mean, I guess they're all illustrations, but that's more of a cartoony one than these ones. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. This one. Oh, some little ones. They're so cute. There's that one again. Ooh, that's pretty. The blues. You guys aren't used to seeing me with nail polish. I apologize if you hate nail polish, but I've just been having fun painting my nails different colors. These are really nice, and you get a lot. I've lost track of which ones I've shown you now. So it looks like you get 2 of each style. Wow, these are really nice. Really happy with these because I want to do them in like journals and stuff. And I have, let's see, I have this journal that I made for the girls. Maybe we could put one somewhere. Stick it down. I like that. Let's try this one. Cool. I like it. That's so fun. Okay, so those are the mushrooms. And let's just figure out how many ones you get. 16. No, 17. God, I lost track again. 12. 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I think I got that right. So there's 20 different designs and 2 of each. And then I got another package. Let's see if I can do this one in a little bit of a organized fashion compared to what I just did with that set. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I assume it's going to be the same amount. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So absolutely beautiful. I love it. And I just like that they're just not simple designs, but you know what I mean? Like just, you could fill them anywhere. You could put them on any journal. So I'm working on this one now. And again, you could just put one on a tag. So pretty. Love it. So thank you so much to Craftspire for sending me these beautiful stickers and all this washi tape. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to get started. And I love the colors. They're just, especially with these poem tape ones, they called it. So I will definitely be putting these to good use because I've been working on some junk journals and just to have the tape to add to them now, and just something new, some different colors, because I'm just getting so tired of the tape I've had for years. So thank you so much to Craftspire, and I will be using these in upcoming projects, so stay tuned, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. All right, take care, guys. See ya.